डेली सीरीज ऑफ CP31। और यार आज जो हम क्वेश्चन करने वाले हैं वो है हमारा 800 डिवीजन का क्वेश्चन। बेसिकली सिंपल क्वेश्चन से हम एडवांस लेवल क्वेश्चन तक जाने वाले हैं, जिससे आप कल को जो है इंटरव्यूज राउंड्स को, कोडिंग राउंड्स को निकाल सको कि आखिर कॉम्पिटिटिव प्रोग्रामिंग में हम कैसे वर्क ऑन करते हैं। तो आज का जो क्वेश्चन है यार वो हमारा है प्रॉब्लम नंबर गेम विथ इंटीजर। ठीक है, इट्स अवर फोर्थ क्वेश्चन ऑफ 800 डिवीजन। बेसिकली क्वेश्चन क्या कहना चाहता है, वी हैव टू डिस्कस इट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, देयर इज अ वान्या एंड बोआ आर प्लेइंग अ गेम and players are given an integer n on their turn, and the player can add 1 to the current integer or subtract 1. The player takes turn. Vanya start first. If after Vanya's move the integer is divisible by 3, then he wins. And if 10 moves have passed and the Vanya has not won, then Boaz wins. So basically we have to write a program for n integers and determine who will win if both players play optimally. There is some input whichever constraints as t is 100, the number of test cases, and the value of n is up to 1000. Okay guys, so this is our question. Please pause this video and first of all think the logic by your own, and then just see this video. So guys, let's move on. I hope you determine the solution by yourself, but if you're not determined it, no issues, kindly see this video. So basically what's the question here? There is a two players are there and we have an optimal game. So if we considered what is the chances of Vanya's winning? Vanya's winning is when Vanya have a integer which is divisible by 3. अब now when it possible? After his first move. तो basically for his first move, तो what are the possible chances? तो if we considered कि we have basically what are the moves? We have only add 1 or subtract 1. There is an optimal game in which we are divisible by 3. So for divisible by 3, what we can check? We can check the modulo. Basically when the number is divided by 3, what we get in a modulus? In the modulus we get 0. Okay, so at what point of time we get the 0? So for getting the 0, what are the chances कि it is divisible by 3? मतलब it is a multiplication of 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, next, if r is set to be 1, we can, what is the chances that modulo is 1? If n's value will be 1, 4, 7, that are the chances, possible chances where r value is also 1. And when n is 2? When n is 2, 5, 8, when we when we get the modulo by 3, we get 2 basically. So these are the possible modulus operations which have to be considered. Next, now we consider that Vanya is winning. If Vanya is winning, what's the possible solutions? Let's consider if r is 1, then Vanya just have to divide. If n is 4, just Vanya divide it with 1 and get it 3, then Vanya win. If n is 7, Vanya just subtract by 1 and she is win, no issues. If n is 2, what Vanya do? Vanya just add 1, like add it in 1, we got 3 and 3 is divisible by 3, then there is a chances Vanya's winning. But what are the cases where Vanya is not winning? These are the cases when we say कि if it is a divisible of the 3, when we say कि the number is itself 3, then after Vanya's move, what's the number going on? If we get the number is 6, after Vanya's move it becomes 7 or either 5. If we say कि Vanya choose 7 and he considered that Voa just move it to 8 and he just added 1, but no. What Voa do? Voa is trying to win itself. If Voa is trying to winning itself, what Voas do? Voa is basically trying to do to make it 6 again. he want ki Vanya just change it to the 5 and Boa is win. So for this thing, Boa always try to nullify the Vanya's move. Ki Vanya is trying to do something. If Vanya is just subtracting, Boa just adding it and make it 6 again, so that Vanya is not winning. So in every possible solution, Boa want himself as a winner. So according to the scenarios, what we considered, we make that ki if the number is itself divisible by 3, then we can say the maximum chances is of Vanya's losing, because at most Vanya is only considered as a 10 moves. After that, Boa is win. So it means Vanya is lose. And in any other case where n is 4, Vanya just add, Vanya just divide, subtracted, and if it's 5, Vanya just add it. So in that cases, Vanya is winning. So let's code it, guys. No issues. So let's code it. I just open this folder. And what we name as game with integers. Then we just include bits SDC, मतलब our library, using namespace std and main. What we can do, we just have to add our t cases. While t is -1, int n, okay, in n, take a input, and after taking the input, we can say what? If n is divisible by 3, we can say what? We can say our second is winner. Else, simply Vanya is winning. Let's run it, guys. Choose the test cases. 6. Okay, what's the issue? Okay, it's t. That's again compiled. Okay, choose 4. We just considered 1, it's first. We just considered 3, it's second. We just considered 6, it's second. We just considered 99, it's second. Okay guys, I hope you like this video, you understand our solution. Please submit in the CPP code, and I hope you not get any TLE. And let's subscribe Gyan portal and be with us.